Just remember, Leahy, what comes around is all around.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I don't have a very exciting video for you, and I don't want to steal your view. So if you don't really care what's going on with the Civic or the BMW, I'm just gonna give you this opportunity to let you know that I'm just gonna stand here and update you guys. This is an update video. So basically, I shot this video earlier today and I really didn't like how it looked, so I came down here and spent about an hour and a half setting up a light over here, a light on top of the camera, the lights behind me, and trying to work on, I guess, in place of making a really cool car video today, consider this video something that I use to help me learn like good lighting, and I'm trying to work on that and do a little bit better of a job with it and making like very professional looking videos. So with that being said, I'm gonna let you guys know exactly what's going on, what my plans are, and kind of where I'm at with both of the cars. So as you saw in the thumbnail, the Civic is about to blow up. It's starting to get a little bit of rod knock. Well, I don't know about rod knock, but I did find metal shavings in the oil pan, which is pretty scary. That's most likely bearing material. Also, my O2 sensor just went out in that car, so it's completely undrivable right now and parked on the patio for the rest of the winter. With that being said, I am now only like 100% driving the BMW. Every single day, all the time, I can't drive the Civic. Because I'm spending so much time in that car, I'm really starting to like it a lot more than I did, I think, even. And now I want to start modifying that car. The problem is, I haven't told you guys this yet, but I already had plans to start building the Civic's motor this winter. I was gonna pull the motor, tear it all apart, and make it really strong and capable of like 400 to 500 wheel horsepower. But now I'm thinking I might just replace the bearings and run it for the next season. I'm not really sure yet. Reason being, like I said, I want to start building the BMW a little bit, and that car is very expensive to work on. But there are a couple things that I really want to do, like lowering the car. I really want a louder exhaust. And as of right now, that's kind of where I'm drawing the line. I think my plan is to do those things and then see where I'm at with the car and see if I want to continue going with it. I would love to do a front bumper and rear bumper at some point, but then I feel like I'm kind of neglecting the Civic. So as of right now, I'm really leaning towards modifying the BMW a little bit and putting the Civic on hold. But this is why I'm making this video. I want your feedback. I want to know what you have to say. Either way, like, I'm gonna continue creating the content that I personally want to create. I don't want to like make something because someone else is telling me to. But I do want to hear your feedback and kind of hear where you guys are at. Something I am considering doing is starting the work on the Civic, so pulling the motor out and starting to tear apart the motor and just get very organized and put everything where it needs to go, and then slowly start to kind of buy the parts that I'm gonna need to build the car. And that'll just be like on the side, like whatever time and money I have left over, I would put into the Civic motor, and then the Civic would take a pretty long time. It would be nice because I'd be able to get a bunch of videos out for that car, and then like the bulk of my energy would go into like the BMW right now. That's currently my plan, but like I said, I would love to hear your guys' feedback. So I don't want to make this video any longer than it has to be. Thank you for watching. I hope that at least, I know it's not exciting, but I hope that at least the lighting is enjoyable and you have like a nice scene to look at, because I always love that in videos. One creator that I think does it the best is what's his name, the puzzle guy, Ramsey.
Jordan Ramsey?
No, it's not Gordon Ramsay, that's the chef. God, what's the puzzle guy's name? Is it Chris Ramsey? Yes, it is Chris Ramsey. Chris Ramsey does a really good job lighting his scene. So yeah, I don't know, just figured I'd share that. Last but not least, I wanna say thank all of you so much, everyone who bought something for the Boost Bunker Boost season drop. Pre-orders just ended the other day, and we actually ended up meeting our goal. I believe I said that in the last video, but I just wanted to say it again. Thank you so much for helping me plan, commit, execute, and attain my goal. And that's it. So if you like this video, if you like the way it looks, if you like literally anything about anything that I just did or said, please click that like button. Also, as I said, please leave a comment down below letting me know like your plan, like what you would do if you were in my shoes right now. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. And as I always say, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.